Hello YouTube friends. So coming to you from my bathroom once again because I'm going to show you baby meows. They're 2 weeks old as of tomorrow. Wow. So thought I would, they finally opened their eyes and stuff, and I'm hoping they're going to be a little playful on camera. They've been playful, but they're really hard to catch because every time they start doing it and I go to get the camera, they decide it's time to eat. And that's not nearly as interesting. So we'll see what we get.
First of all, here's a very sweet mommy who says hi to me every time I come in the bathroom. And she is very chatty. She loves to talk. Isn't that right, Treat? Come on, let's go see your peepees.
So here they are. So, big news in the world of my kitty cats here. This is not just a white cat. If Treat will get out of the way. This is actually an albino kitten, like a true albino. And I guess they're pretty rare. And there's kind of a concern with them that they'll be either blind or deaf or both, but so far he seems to be able to see pretty well. So I don't know about his hearing yet because they're not at the age where I can snap and make noises and they'll look at me. They don't really care.
Oh, hey, Jean. So this is the black one that we've named Jean. And she is very cute.
I don't know if they're boy or girl. Like, we still have not sexed them, but I'm calling her a girl and the other two boys. It's my instinct. I could be totally wrong. We'll see. But this one's very cute and sweet. And I come in and she never yells at me when I pick her up except when she's really hungry.
Oh, she's very sweet.
And here's my other two back here.
Say hello to Dale, the albino mew. Look up here, you silly butt. You're not cooperating.
Dale doesn't really like being picked up at all. And if you pick him up, he makes a terrible noise that sounds like you're stabbing him. So I only do it when I really, really have to. And regrettably, he had an eye infection, so I've got to give him medicine twice a day right now. And he does not appreciate that at all.
Do you, little one? I may pick you up to show everyone your eyes here in a second, which I doubt they're going to like.
Actually, why don't we just get this out of the way, because you're going to hate it.
I'll put you on my knees again. That's right. Have a sit. Say hi to everyone. Stop wiggling around. Say hello. This is Dale.
You're getting better at tolerating this. I'm proud of you.
Okay, I'll put you back in your box. Here you go. Alright, and then back here we have Squeedles. And Squeedles is very sleepy.
Squeedles was the last one to open his eyes, so they're not as big and beautiful as the other two yet.
And he's very squawky.
He's also very wiggly.
You should wake up and say hello to YouTube.
Wait, are you just gonna chirp at me the whole time? Really? They're very cute.
Oh, what are you doing over here? Oh, we're stretching. Are you gonna attack your brother? What are you doing? You are so cute. Aww. You're kicking Jean in the face like crazy. Quit that. It's not very nice.
One of Squeedle's favorite things to do is to lay directly under Treat's chin and just continually kick her and grab at her face. And she tolerates it admirably.
What are you doing? I don't even know what you're swiping at. There is nothing here. Well, it's playtime. Yay, I finally got it on camera. Aww.
guys are ridiculous. Squeedles trying to chew on Jean's foot. Oh, Jean's gonna come see you, Dale. Flop. What are you squawking about? Oh, Tree, give you a hug. Dale. Poor Tree. Just getting beat up. What are you doing, Crazy Mew? Grabbing your mom's face. Oh, are you sad? Yeah, I hear you. What are you doing? There he is. Aw, he's cute. Hey, how are you? You looking at me? You look kind of sleepy. I don't think we can see your eyes well enough to see the color. Oh, you're very pretty. Yeah, you are. Leave your poor mommy alone. I love the way they just totally crawl all over one another and they don't care at all. You guys are cute. I will leave you be. That's enough kittens for one day, I guess. Say bye, Mew Mews. Goodbye, box of baby Mew Mews. And Mommy Mew.